Hi, my name is Bret Nicoletti. I'm from Costa Mesa, California, originally from New York. I currently drive a Miata and I work for Worldpac Auto Parts. So currently I use Whiteline sway bars and also sway bar links. I use their NC springs for the 2013 Miata. I've noticed that just changing out sway bars have made a huge difference to the way the car handles on the track. I kind of tested the car with no modifications, then gradually put in sway bars to test out how it handles on track. Great improvement. Still needed more. Then we put in the Whiteline springs, even more improvement, which also helped a little bit with handling in the sense that it's an everyday car, but it also sees the track. So it's not too harsh for the road, and it's just stiff enough for the track that it makes it an all-purpose car. So I currently race the car in Global Time Attack. I have been for the last couple of years. I started in a Speed 3. I was very successful in that, but I was never really satisfied with driving the car. Got the Miata, faster lap times with less horsepower, easier car to drive, a lot more fun. I've actually got on the podium in this car, and thanks to Whiteline, I've actually improved the handling of the car from when it was stock, and I definitely would say that cut down on lap times. The things I like about Whiteline is just recently they put on a Cars and Coffee at their headquarters to showcase their products and actually just kind of get feedback and interact with all the people that use Whiteline products. What I liked about it is we got to interact with a lot of people, talk to them about the products, give feedback, but understand that they are listening to us and they're trying to provide a better product overall for the consumer in the end. So 2019, we're definitely in for Global Time Attack Finals in November. We're hopefully going to go out to New Jersey, got to see how the schedule goes. Going to do a few car shows, that way we can interact with people, hopefully do more Cars and Coffee with Whiteline, and just get out there and actually do some track days and testing with all the Whiteline products and tune the car in for the finals in November.